Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on solution of homogeneous differential equation. Considering the given differential equation with respect to higher order, what does this higher order represent? The derivative is differentiated more than one or twice. Thus, that derivative we call it as what? Higher order. Okay. Considering this higher order, we are going to represent the given equation is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. First, we are going to represent whether the given equation is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. How? First, whenever they give, we are going to represent it in the form of f of d into y equal to phi of x. If phi of x equal to 0, if phi of x is equal to 0, we call it as homogeneous differential equation. If phi of x is not equal to 0, then we call it as non-homogeneous differential equation. Now, the given differential equation, we are going to represent it in the f of d into y form. How? I am going to show you step by step. First, let us represent the given solution. Given d cube y by dx cube minus d square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx minus 4y equal to 0. Now, see, we know that d by dx equal to capital letter D. Similarly, d square by dx square is d square. Now we are going to represent d cube y by dx cube. D cube y by dx cube, I can write it as d cube y minus d square y by dx square, I can write it as d square y plus 4 into d by dx, I can write it as dy minus 4y equal to 0. In this, all the condition we have y as common. So what I am going to do, d cube minus d square plus 4d minus 4y equal to 0. Now, this is of the form f of d into y equal to 0. If phi of x, I have told you before itself, if phi of x is equal to 0, then it is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Got the point? Homogeneous differential equation. Now we are going to find the roots of this equation. To find the roots of the equation, I am going to convert it into auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is given by f of m equal to 0. That is, replace d by m. Replacing d with respect to m. That is m cube minus m square plus 4m minus 4 equal to 0. This is of the form f of m equal to 0. Now, either you can find the roots of this equation by what? Factorization, synthetic division or quadratic form. Before finding that, now let us analyze whether how to find the roots. First, you need to analyze the equation. Can I simplify with respect to condition? See, yes, you can simplify with respect to the condition. That is, first, if you take m square as common and here 4 as common, you get the factors. That is, if I consider m square as common here, you get m minus 1. Here, if you take 4 as common, you get m minus 1 equal to 0. The factors are m square plus 4 and m minus 1 equal to 0. Now, considering these factors, we are going to represent the roots. How to represent roots? First, m square plus 4 equal to 0. The another is m minus 1 equal to 0. That is m square which is equal to minus 4. m which is equal to square root of minus 4. We can remember that minus 1, square root of minus 1 is I. This is the important condition. Okay, so m equal to root 4i. Now this can be written as plus or minus 2i. This root we call it as pair of imaginary roots. This I can represent it as pair of imaginary roots. This we call it as imaginary roots. Done. After this, now let us find the another root, that is m equal to minus. If I shift minus to RHS, we get plus 1. This is the second root. At the point, this I can represent it as m1 and this I can represent it as m2. First, let us represent the real roots, then I can represent the imaginary roots. Therefore, the roots of the auxiliary equation is given by m equal to first 1 and another one is plus or minus 2i. Thus y. Now let us represent this solution. Y first root is c1 e power of x plus the imaginary roots is given by c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x. This is the required general solution for the given differential equation. Is the required general solution for the given differential equation. This is the question asked in VTU main examination in the previous year itself or previous sem itself in 2026. Keep it in the mind, one of the most important question which was asked in VTU main examination. First, what we are supposed to do, we are going to represent the given differential equation and represent it in the form of f of d into y. So that I am going to replace d by dx into d. Similarly, d³ by dx² as d³, d², d, and considering y as common, representing in the form of f of d into y equal to 0. If the f of d into y equal to 0, if p of x is equal to 0, we can represent it as it is a homogeneous differential equation. Then, considering the auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0, in place of d, I am going to replace m. And representing the equation, representing it in the factor form and representing the roots. The first root either you can go with 1 or plus or minus 2i. First let us represent the real root, then let us represent the imaginary root. So they have represented the root of the auxiliary equation is given by first is the real root and the next is the imaginary root. Considering this root, we have represented the general solution, that is c1 e power of x plus c2 cos 2x, c3 sin 2x. I hope you have understood each and every step of the homogeneous differential equation. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.